today I'm going to be having a look at these new watercolour paints that I got. They're by Rosa and they come with a little leaflet which shows all the other types of watercolour paints that they do, all the other sets. And what's handy about this leaflet is it shows the range of colours that they do, and then also there's a little chart with stars on, so it's how light fast they are, high, medium to low, depending on how many stars each colour has at the side. Just looking at them, there's a lot of 3 stars for light fastness. In fact, I can't actually see one that's got, oh, they've got medium, a couple of mediums there, but the rest all seem to have 3 stars, so that's good. And also the little squares are how transparent they are, if they're opaque, semi-opaque or transparent, so that's a good little handy chart to have. So these are the watercolours, and there's 14 in the box. They're made with 100% gum arabic, high quality pigments, natural drying. And on the back there's the 14 colours that are in this set. There's also a little batch number there which is a date when they were made, but the expiration date, as it says here, is unlimited, so the batch number is just a production date. They don't run out or expire as long as you look after them. They'll be fine in 10 years time, 20 years time, so that's not an expiration date. So let's have a little look inside. So they come in this metal tin. It's got a little hook on the back, I'm not sure what that is for. So inside this is where you can mix all your colours, and it comes with a little colour chart tester sheet already, which is really handy. That's printed onto watercolour paper as well. So the reason that we test things on charts is not only it makes it easier to see what colour you want to pick because they're all there together, but how they look after they've dried on the paper, because sometimes they dry a different colour to what you might expect or what they look like on these colour stickers. So these are all the paints and they're all in these little tubs. They're full pans, they're not half pans, and they're all clipped in, so there's a sticker over each one. On the side there it says the number and the name of the colour. It's also got the light fastness on and how opaque or transparent it is, the little key there. So to open them, I think I would open the top but leave these stickers on so that I know exactly what it is. So if I want to get another one and replace it, if I run out, I know which one I'm getting. So now I'm just gonna, I think I'll leave them in this order, and now I'm just gonna open them all and slot them into the tray. have the colours tested for the watercolours by Rosa Gallery, and they're all a nice little selection of nice bright colours, and of course you can mix them together to create your own colours. There's a little bit of space left on this chart. If there was some colours that you liked mixing together and you made a colour that you really liked, you could write down which ones you mixed and a little sample of the colours there. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.